Hey everyone, welcome back to another CineGeeks Cinebites review. I'm Roy.
And I'm Angela, and for this video, we'll be talking about the sophomore outing of Osgood Perkins after last year's surprise hit, Longlegs, and that's The Monkey. When twin brothers Bill and Hal find their father's old monkey toy in the attic, a series of gruesome deaths start. The siblings decide to throw the toy away and move on with their lives, growing apart over the years.
But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. Ange, what did you think of The Monkey?
Honestly, I had very high expectations for this project because, of course, it's the three horror icons collaborating for the first time in this project. Stephen King, of course, Osgood Perkins, like we said earlier, and James Wan. Yan. So, para sa akin, parang napaka-exciting nitong project na to, and they promised a lot, actually, sa trailer pa lang. And I'm very pleased to say, as a horror connoisseur, as a horror fan, I'm so happy with what I saw. I'm so happy with what they did.
Yes. Ako naman, yung nakahook sa akin dito was the promise of something, yung may kulit, yung mischievous na take on horror, na comedy, may pagka-campy siguro, yun yung yung pinapromise. Kasi yung trailers niya and yung marketing niya were created in such a way that it focused on how cartoonish the deaths are in this film.
Yes.
And I'm happy to say that indeed the deaths in this film are satisfying, almost very cartoonish. To the point nga na parang may naiisip ko siya na parang medyo nagiging too cartoonish siya.
Sometimes.
Too parang ang naisip ko nga minsan na parang siyang parang may pagka-Deadpool.
Oo nga, no?
Parang gano'n. Na parang,
Tama, actually.
na
Yung
parang-
sobrang over the top.
yung over the top and then yung parang may wink-wink yung mga deaths sa camera, pang ganon. Pero, meron siyang pambalanse na yung existential dread na specialty ni Osgood Perkins.
Yes.
Yan. Kaya, for the most part, this movie worked for me. Kasi nagustuhan ko na nag-try si Oz na mag-branch out from the kind of film that he's used to starring in or making, katulad ng Longlegs, parang ganon, na sobrang talagang creeps under your skin, stays there for days na tipo ng horror. Ito naman mas more siya talagang parang let's just have fun. And kita mo nag-have fun sila all on screen.
You can feel na parang Osgood really let down his hair. Kumbaga.
Sa lagay na yan.
Kasi parang actually for the three of them, well, James Wan is always the fun one.
And of course, Stephen King.
Stephen King is a serious horror creator.
Meron din siya mga meron din siya mga novela niya na parang sobrang talagang, hindi naman ha LOL na patawa. Pero yung tipong, meron siya yung dark, mischievous, twisted humor. Yes, that's the term I was looking for. Yun, na sobrang twisted humor niya.
True.
Meron din siya mga ganon. Pero tama ka na, yun na nga, pag talagang evil talaga tong si Stephen King, talagang kaya niyang mas malala pa kaysa sa Longlegs yung ginagawa niya.
And yes, I remember
Diba?
you talagang sobrang shocked ka dun sa Longlegs in 4 days.
I mean, actually, ako din, after kung mapanood for the first time yung The Shining nun, parang ganun din yung pakiramdam niya.
Dapat display natin yung Shining mo na Blu-ray.
Pero yung dito is, hindi naman lahat nagwo-work. It wasn't the perfect horror comedy movie-going experience I was hoping it would be.
What did not work for you?
May mga times na kapag nag-go back si Oz Perkins doon sa kanyang comfort zone, which is yun nga the existential dread to the 10th power. Medyo nagsasuffer ng konti yung pacing ng sine.
Yeah, I felt that too.
Diba? Kasi kapag ang isang sine, ramdam mo yung energy niya para siyang kapag nasa paligid ka ng isang wire na nakasaksak pa din, pero putol yung wire. May gumaganong electricity eh.
Static.
Hindi static. Yung parang may sparks na nagfa-fly off the wire.
Na
nakadikit pa rin sa isang live power outlet. Kumbaga parang ganon. we saw another film like that few weeks back. That was Companion.
Yes.
Ganun
yes.
yung energy niya eh. Na talagang every moment, kahit expository moments niya, ramdam mong may energy na nagka-crackle in the background
Parang kinetic siya,
Oo,
ganon.
ito kasi, kapag nagpupunta tayo dun sa expository parts niya, nagme-mellow down yung kwento.
Parang mas nagiging ang feel niya is yung long legs
Mas
ulit.
nagiging parang siyang long legs ulit. Exactly. Which is fine if yun ang talagang gusto niyang atake dun sa buong sine. Na parang long legs, na talagang let's feel the dread. Pero kasi, gusto niya maging parang, hey, let's have fun with this twisted sense of humor. Kaya ang nangyayari lang, problema lang, hindi niya na maintain. Kasi for you to have a movie na parang full of energy using twisted sense of humor,
Yes.
parang siyang Cabin in the Woods. Yung gano'n. Na talagang,
Or Thanksgiving,
or even parang Ready or Not. Yung mga gano'n. Na tipong kapag the humor is how dark the horror is, it should be an undercurrent that's always running in the background.
One more good example of that is Abigail.
Yun, parang gano'n.
Parang ganon, no?
Oo.
Na talagang, if you're gonna commit to over the top, sobrang extra, na sobrang hilarious kind of horror, dapat ganon eh.
Yes.
You have to maintain it to a certain parang level.
Yes. Pero to a degree, I want to give props to Theo James.
Yeah. Oo.
Doing double duty.
Oh, grabe.
As yung Bill and Hal. Tama, as Bill and Hal, the twins. Kasi he knows the assignment. Dito mo makikita kung gano'ng kagaling ang isang actor. Na the director and the writer can parang say na this is what we want to do sa isa sa scene ganito. Pero, of course, hindi naman perfect yung writer and director.
Yeah.
May dadalahin yung actor doon sa
Table.
table.
Yeah, true.
Yung deficiencies in terms of yung energy, kumbaga, nung sine, napupunan ni Theo James. Kasi yung mga lines na parang sobrang straight-laced,
Yeah.
na parang ang tawag nila parang yung mga long legs dialogue.
Yes.
Dinideliver niya in such a deadpan humor way.
Yeah.
Na parang, alam mong, this guy is just at his wit's end with how very, very ridiculous the situation is.
And he's also having fun with it.
Yun.
I feel like.
Yun, yes.
No?
Yun.
Talagang nakikita din niya. Parang he also has a twisted sense of humor that he brought in these characters.
Oo.
Na parang he knows how ridiculous the situation is,
Yes.
these characters are.
Yes.
Nakita ko yung ganong feeling sa portrayal niya dun sa twins.
Yes. Kasi may mga linya dito na parang delivered in a way na parang yun nga, long legs. Yung lead character doon na babae.
Very straight,
Very
no?
straight.
Oo.
Tapos para siyang, in other movies, it would be, parang, ay, ba't ganun sila magsalita? Pero sa world ni Osgood Perkins, yung parang otherworldliness ng dialogue niya either adds to the tension and terror of the situation or diffuses the tension. Yung ganon. Dito, it adds and diffuses tension at the same time eh. Dahil dun sa delivery ni Theo James.
And also dahil din sa duality ng dalawang characters niya.
Yes.
Sobrang opposite eh.
Tama.
And also, let me just mention that Stephen King really has a thing for twins eh, no?
To wrap this up, it's still a very fun time at the cinema.
Yes.
Kasi,
Ay, sobra. Oo.
talagang nag-i-enjoy tayo while we were watching it. And the violence, while it may border on cartoonish, is talagang, yes.
So
Talagang,
fun.
Sana lang na-maintain niya yung energy na yon
All throughout. Yeah.
Oo. Ikaw?
Ako, I want more of this. Actually, please give me more of this. Kasi this is too short for me. I wanted more. Oo. If this is a short outing. And by the way, let me also just give props to Tatiana Maslany.
Oo.
She was also excellent in this movie.
Very memorable short role.
Sana magkaroon ng franchise to kasi sobrang bitin talaga. As in, they left me wanting more. That's what they succeeded at.
Ang tawag dito, lahat ng mga evil toys na nakatrabaho na ni James Wan pag samasamahin niya.
Toy Story horror.
Toy Story. Yung
Toy
si
Story
Annabelle,
Universe.
Sino ba lang? Si Annabelle, si Megan,
Chucky.
si Chucky, sino
Si
pa?
may lalabas ulit si Robin.
Ay,
Parang
wow.
robot naman.
Oh, si Rob 1N.
Rob 1N.
Rob 1N.
Tapos si Jigsaw.
Yun. Oh,
Billy the clown ba?
Billy
Billy the doll,
Parang
something.
ganun. So, ano siya? Avengers ng mga
Avengers
Evil
yung mga
toys.
evil toys.
So, sa akin, I'm giving this a rating of B+. Ikaw?
Same, B+.
Same, B+. Yeah. So, I guess that's it for this review of The Monkey.
So, Cinegeeks, what did you think of The Monkey? Or if you haven't seen it yet, what is your favorite horror movie that's centered around a haunted toy?
Yes.
Ayan. Kahit local pwede.
Lista natin kanina lahat yun. Oo.
Comment below and let us know.
That's right. So, for this edition of the Cinegeeks Cinebites Review, I'm Roy.
And I'm Angela.
We'll see you in the next one.